Hello everyone, it's MarQue VeganCrocker, okay? And I'm back. We are gonna do the second half, or actually the third half now, of our eggplant parmesan vegan style, okay? So the last thing we did was we put them in the oven to melt our cheese over them, okay? So you can see there, whoop, 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 and I can't touch it because it's hot. We can see there that the cheese has started to melt, and that's all we wanted to do. So it was in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes, okay? And I'm gonna put this down here so I can actually work off of that tray. All right, so what I have now is I've got 2 Pyrex dishes, and I did 2 because I want to spread them out, and I want to go ahead and put my garlic marinara, okay? So, one more time. Good. Woo! Love that. And I'm just gonna put marinara, I don't splash it on myself, in the bottom, okay? Guess I should have used my spoon, huh? My spoon. All right, so we just wanna put a little on the bottom so that the dish isn't dry on the bottom. So we're going to use both pans, and they're just going to go back in the oven. Basically, heat up the marinara and cook the eggplant to soften it. But remember, I said I don't like the mushy ones, so it's not going to be too mushy, and that's depending on how thick you cut them, okay? So I'm just going to use my little spatulas here and put them in, right? Hot. Cheese is looking good though. Okay, so I put 4 in there, and I'm gonna put 4 in here before I layer, okay? You can use a pan that's flat a long way. This way you don't have to have them on top of each other, but it's food, you're gonna eat it, so it doesn't matter, right? It's all going to the same place. And I'm just, I guess you could say strategically placing them around, but we want that to stay on there. Good. Now before I put the last remainings, and there's only 4 left, so I'll put 2 on each pan on the top of what's here. Now I'm putting the marinara over each of the eggplants. This is also good for you to see. And just in case, I may need another. So these are the eggplants covered. This is how they started going in, okay? Now I'll put 2 more. Ooh. And I like to keep the cheese on them, because that's gonna be nice. Let's do all right, and we're going to go ahead and cover. Okay, all right. So you can kind of see, I left these here so you can see, that's what it's going to look like going back into the oven. And then this will go in for 20 to 40 minutes, okay? This way it will cook nicely, the marinara will fill out through, the cheese will get nice and melted under the hot marinara, and I'm gonna cover it with a piece of foil, okay? So we're gonna put foil on it, and I'm just gonna cover these ends here this way. Okay. All right, there we go. And it's going back in the oven, which is on 350, and we're going for 20 to 40 minutes. In the oven. So that's our eggplant parmesan. I'll finish this one and then we'll be able to test it, taste it when they come out. All right, it's MarQue Las Vegas, MarQue New York. I haven't said this the whole time. You can live your dream life. I am feeling much better now that I am getting some food cooked and I'm gonna eat something. My vegan diet has very much contributed to a healthier lifestyle for me. So for yourself, do what you will, do what you may, but if you're starting to feel tired, lethargic, run down, and like you have no energy, you may want to look at your diet to see if you can cut some things out that may help you to restore your energy. And for me, it was going vegan, all right? It's MarQue Las Vegas, MarQue New York. Discover and live your dream life. Vegan Crocker. Eggplant Parmesan. Yes, vegan style.